Hey guys, so right now we're sitting about halfway through 2026, and I gotta be brutally honest, we're having one of the most successful years year to date that we have had in almost 16 years of being in operation. And it's interesting to me as we post our success stories, we post the sales, the record-breaking sales that we're having, the success of every one of our agents in the office, the conversations I'm having at my lunch meetings, my dinner meetings, my social settings. It's not really about the overall market. I think everyone understands how strong of the market we're having. I think it's going to continue on in 2026. But the things that are getting brought up, it's really one subject, and it's all AI. It was really interesting to me because in the last 12, 15 months, we are incorporating more AI into our space to the back-end operations of Seaport than we ever have. I think initially for me, I didn't understand it, didn't know really how it was going to work for our space. But right now, we are spending every waking second incorporating new types of technology, new types of AI to make sure that our agents are better prepared and more successful out in that space. So for me, it kind of ties together of really where this market is. We're having the most success we've had because we're incorporating more AI, more efficiencies, more data, more knowledge. So for our agents, when they're going out for the buyer appointments, the listing appointments, they are more prepared with more knowledge and more systems, right? We're making new systems that we've never had in place, all with AI. So I think for you as a business owner, if you're not losing sleep right now, because you're not incorporating the level of AI that we're doing, you should start losing sleep, right? You should start working on it because AI is not going anywhere. It's literally evolving so fast and so quickly. And so for us, we are ahead of that curve. We are so far ahead of our competitors right now of all of the things that we're incorporating. So for me, I just want to make that point and make sure that everyone understands that AI is here. It's not going anywhere. It needs to be part of your business. If you want to be here in the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you've got to find ways to incorporate AI.